Hi everyone, let's continue part 2 of the Destash, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lots. So let's get started. The first lot, I have this stamp dies lot collage. Let's say. So we have this is stamp, and it comes with the shadow and the die itself. And if you don't want to color, you can just die cut the images from here, from this book. Okay, so we have 1, 2, let me zoom in, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7, let's say, fairies plus the book. So this is lot 1 for $60 shipped. Lot 2 is Hello Kitty lot. So I have the stamp. I'm sorry, it looks horrible, I know, because my daughter used it. Okay, so he these all the images, so you can clean it or I can clean it. Okay, so this is the stamp. Have this house die, this flower die by Sizzix, flower layers number 3, and I think, let me see. So we have 2 houses. What's happening, Jibril, on this flower? There's another flower, yes, and this flower too. Also, Hello Kitty Daisy. Then we have Hello Kitty Bee. Then we have this one called Hello Kitty Flower, or with flower. Then the birdie. So this is also $60 shipped. I think this one was, I think if you check this one, only is $35. Lot 3, a planner, stuff, inserts, all of them are brand new. This one, like agenda, and that one is A5 monthly planner inserts. So this for the planner. We have also, okay, and also this notebook. Chipboard. We'll get 5 different chipboards. You will get this die by Sizzix called Pail and Shovel and Distress Ink. Then, okay, now let's come to the dies and stamps. So you're gonna get this die, but you will not get the magnet sheet. This is by X-Cut brand. CC Design, Peep Peep. MFT Wave die, Elizabeth Crafts Flower die, Sizzix die and embossing folder, Magnolia stamp cake, birthday cake, not too shabby stamp, fall theme, and last one, this stamp by Crafter Companion, and this one $55 shipped. See the stamps and dies. Oh, way more than $55. Okay, so this is lot 3. Lot 4. So we have a notebook, sticky notes, another sticky note, and another insert. Okay, also we'll get 5 chipboards. You will get Sizzix ink, Tim Holtz die, swirls. Okay, so for the stamps and die, you will get this one, beautiful rose die, $29. I hope that I didn't pay $30 for this die, but anyway, okay. Stamp by Crafter Companion also. Sizzix die, fruits, CC Design, Gina K, embossing folder. What's this brand? I forgot. It's a Russian brand called Mimi Cut. Okay. Then this one, Sizzix pillow die, and finally this die, $55 shipped also. Lot 5 stuff. We have the sticky notes, to-do lists, inserts also for A5 planner, and also a journal or mini notebook. For chipboard also you're gonna get 5 designs, Sizzix ink, and this one by Sizzix also clock ornate hands with hands. Okay, we have honeybee stamp, this die by Elizabeth Crafts, embossing folder, I think like wood grain or something, paper smooches, another paper smooches, crafter companion, picket fence, and cottage cuts, again 55 shipped. The last box, this is a huge box. I don't know how I'm going to ship it. It's huge because it's full of dyes, so I don't know, but anyway, I think I need to look for a big box or something. But let me show you quickly what's inside this box. Okay, so we have 12 by 12 papers by Kaiser Crafts, brand new. I have this watercolor book with a CD. I'm not sure if now there is, I don't know. I can't insert the CD. You have to buy like external or something. Anyway, okay. Then for the planner stuff, I have this by Prima, stickers, sticker book, new. I don't think so. I used one. I don't know. I think it's new. What else? We have this sticky notes. Again, also you will get 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 6. Okay, of these you will get this one, stamp, Doris, embossing folder, snowflake, this MFT stamp and die, Hero Art stamp, mini journal, planner, crafter companion stamp. You will get this watercolor. These are 2 sets of watercolors. Jane Davenport and Prima. Okay, they're together. And this Prima set. Okay, most of them. Okay, the rest will be dies. So we have this die, this die, this die. Oopsie. This die. Okay. This is $41. I'm sad because I didn't use these all. Most of them I didn't use them. So anyway, this die, and it comes with embossing folder. We have this die and this one. Most of them are Sizzix and Tim Holtz. This and last one, this apple. Okay, so for this box I'm asking $180 shipped, because I don't know how much the shipping will be, because I need to look really for big box. $20-30 because the dies are really heavy. So this is $180. I will write all the instruction, all the prices in the description box. Thank you so much for supporting and help me to stashing things out. One more lot. These set by Tom Cohen and Nye. They are complete set of alphabets. I'm not sure if they will fit. No, they will not fit. Okay, so $115 shipped because they has to go on box. They will not fit the envelope mail wrapper. So $100 plus $15 for shipping. Okay, thanks. Bye.